How to use TikTok offline. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use TikTok offline. To watch TikTok offline, you must use the app's built-in offline video feature to download the videos when you still have an internet connections. So you could download up to 200 videos at times, but you cannot select specific videos to save. TikTok will automatically download content from your For You page. So what here you need to do is open up your TikTok application and log into your account. After which, click on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the menu bar from the top right and go to settings and privacy. Once again, on this field, you want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the cache and cellular section. So this is actually gonna locate, or you should be able to find it in the data or free up space. You could see here download section, right? You could go and click on the download section, or you find this section where you could see cache and cellular. When you actually go ahead and click on this option, you could do it and select the batch size, that is 50, 100 or maybe 150 or 200 videos available option, and you could start downloading it. And you could find the downloaded videos, or once offline you could return to offline video section. In your settings to watch your content, you will see a notification at the top of the screen indicating that you are watching offline videos. So likewise, there is no other feature you could use offline. That means TikTok does not, or usually does not, run offline. So it needs an access of internet. So you need to understand that as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.